Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this really cool text effect in CapCut PC. I'm just going to select a color first. I'll just select this like really bright red. Go to text and add in your default text. I'm just going to type in the word scary. And I'm also going to choose this font. Then I'm also going to color it black. Then you're going to want to select stroke, and I'm going to color it red. I'm also going to adjust the thickness. Copy and paste it, and on the first one, go back to stroke and select the color red and adjust the thickness of it. Go back to the second one, scroll down to glow and add in a glow, but select this one. Here you can adjust the intensity and the range as well. But that's pretty much it, really super simple. You can combine them together and add in like video animations if you'd like to here. And yeah, that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!